Juliet soup.
This is a garlic chili sauce. You can find it also in, I mean, even in Chinatown.
Right.
It looks like this.
Sriracha.
It's like a sriracha, like a, and there are different kinds. We have this kind also. But for this soup, we use the one with the seeds, and this is more for like pho, which is like the noodle soup. And then the beans, where'd it go? Is salted soybeans, and you just kind of add that on top, and of course black pepper.
Not
So-
fermented.
Is this
Just
similar
salted.
to natto? The bean?
But not
Maybe.
fermented.
Oh, okay.
Right? No, I know sticky.
No.
Sticky.
But very salty.
Yeah.
Very salty. So the whole chicken is very fatty. So when it's boiling, a lot of the fat rises to the top, and I'm not a fan of the oil, so I'm just kind of scraping it off a little bit. Okay. So we have green onions. Then this is what goes on top of the babal. Cilantro. I like to keep the stems to add into the soup a little bit at a time, and then use the leaves to actually eat in the soup. And then we also have bean sprouts, and then some lime wedges for a little sour. And then you can do the garlic. So a little salt and a little bit of fish sauce. I added a little bit more earlier, so I don't want to add too much. And sugar to balance this out.
Very nice smell.
Can you smell it? Good. And then I think, like I said earlier, you don't have to cook the chicken all the way through because it goes back in there once you shred it. So I'm going to try to pick this up and put it in a bowl. This is going to be disastrous. Oops. And then this just boils for a little bit longer. And then once the chicken cools down, you can use a fork or your hands to peel and shred the chicken. Ginger, some onions, not some onions, like maybe half an onion, some fish sauce, some salt, some sugar, and 1 can of chicken stock. So now the rice goes in, and then it can start to cook. I hope this tastes good.
Looks good.
I like to use my hands on the chicken if it's not too hot. And because you use the whole chicken, I remove the fat. Otherwise, you'll get a lot of oil in the broth in the soup. But you just start to, and of course it's too hot, you just kind of shred it like this.
I shred it by hand.
I like to do it by hand, but in a minute I will get a fork because it's too hot. Now the chicken's in here. And it's like this. Make sure not to give you the ginger. And you can put whatever you would like on it. So bean sprouts, green onions, a lime, cilantro, some onions. How are you going to do this? Put this inside.
Please show me
Would you like me to do that for you? Okay. Is it okay if I use my hands?
Yeah.
Too? Okay. So let's see. A little bit of bean sprouts, green onions, cilantro. She's trusting me to do her bowl.
Uh-oh.
some onions, and then some chili.